Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today we're going to talk the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 gauge brad gun. Let's check this thing out. So let's get to know this tool a little bit better. If I turn it sideways, it's cooler, right? Anyway, the M18 Fuel. This is the 18 gauge. I think 18 gauge is one of the most useful brad guns that you can get. As far as gauges, it's the most versatile. I use it a ton in woodworking, carpentry, and you don't need to go to 16, 23 gauge pen nailers. I don't use those as much, but the 18 gauge is one of those that I always come back to, and we'll compare it to another one here in a little bit. So a couple things to note on here. There is a power switch, if you can see it right here, and it gets me every single time where I go to try to use this and I haven't turned the power on. You have to hold it for quite a while too to turn on, so it's one of those things, it's just an annoyance, but it's probably a safety feature, but it's a pain to me because I'm used to just grabbing the brad gun and then just going with it. You also have a selector as well where you can go from multiple to single. Single, you have to depress and then go. If you have it on multiple, you can just pull the trigger, and then as you make contact, it will then apply the brad. So nifty tool. I do think it's a little heavy, but I do have a heavier battery on here right now. Does not change that much of it, but let's see this thing side by side to the Ryobi AirStrike. Now this is about 3 years old right now. I got it when they first came out. It has been my go-to for pneumatics for 18 gauge, and they're very comparable in size. They're very comparable in design as well. This one has more of a forward pistol. This one has a straight up and down pistol, so I do like the angle of this one. But let's do these things side by side and see what the difference is. So as you saw, there is a significant difference here as far as speed. Also, if you notice, the profile is a lot smaller on the Milwaukee as well. But as far as the Ryobi, you're talking 60 nails per minute. Like I said, it is a little bit delayed, and that is with the multiple nails, so you can press and go. Just because of the delay with the pneumatics here, you can do 60 nails per minute. And with the Milwaukee, you can do 180 nails per minute, which is a big difference in productivity here. So the difference, besides that, is also price. When you're talking bare tool for the Ryobi, you're talking $99. And when you're talking bare tool for the Milwaukee, you're talking $279 right now at Home Depot. So obviously a big difference here. It also depends on what battery platform you're on. If you're used to having green compared to red, there's some big difference here. But when you're talking Milwaukee tools, Milwaukees are definitely more of a pro grade, construction grade, and you know they're gonna be a little bit more durable. Ryobi is more of that DIYer, beginner woodworker, homeowner, and they're not meant to take the abuse in everyday job site wear and tear as a Milwaukee is. So when you're paying $279 compared to $99, that is why. So I think it's a great tool. I enjoyed using it. If you're talking efficiency, productivity, I mean, you're talking 180 brads in a minute compared to 60. If you're going through a job site, that is a huge difference throughout the day. So you're paying for speed, you're paying for quality. I've actually never had an issue with the Ryobi having any sort of misfire or anything. And like I said, I've been using this for 3 years. I know other people reported it. You put a little oil in there, you're usually good to go. But the Milwaukee here, I'm impressed with it. I didn't think I was going to like it because I like the Ryobi so much, but it may be my new go-to. And I mean, new toy, new year, we may go for this one. So thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed the review here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right here. If you like these tool reviews, maybe check out this video right here, and catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Huge M18 18 volt tool line. God.